Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your theme allows custom CSS or that you have Elementor Pro for built-in site settings. Once done, open the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, and click Edit with Elementor on the page you'll change. Decide now whether you need global styles applied site-wide or a targeted widget style. This choice alters where you add code. Make sure to save a backup or note current styles before changing anything so you can revert if needed. You select the element you want to style, then switch to Advanced and paste CSS in Custom CSS for widget-level changes. Alternatively, go to Elementor right arrow site settings right arrow Custom CSS to affect the whole site. This keeps consistency and reduces repetition. Use clear, specific selectors to avoid unintended overrides and prefix with Elementor widget or your theme class when needed. Once you paste code, make small edits and preview. This helps you verify behavior. You finish by previewing across desktop, tablet, and mobile breakpoints to confirm responsiveness. Adjust media queries as necessary. After saving, clear any caching layers, plugin, server, and browser so you see fresh results. If your CSS doesn't apply, inspect with the browser DevTools to find conflicting rules, then increase selector specificity or use. Important sparingly to override and retest. If problems persist, revert to your backup and isolate the rule causing the issue to avoid site-wide regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.